Healthy habit number one of 16 is to consume half your body weight in ounces of clean drinking water every single day. Water is essential for life and plays a critical role in numerous physiological functions throughout the body. Here are the top 10 most important physiological functions requiring water and why they matter. The third physiological function that requires water is nutrient and oxygen transportation. The transportation of nutrients and oxygen to every cell in the body is essential for sustaining life and supporting the body's numerous physiological processes. Water plays a central role in this transport system, functioning as the primary medium within blood and interstitial fluid and carries critical substances to tissues while simultaneously removing waste products. Without water, the efficiency and efficacy of nutrient and oxygen delivery would be severely compromised, disrupting cellular function and overall homeostasis. Blood, which is the body's primary transport fluid, is composed of approximately 55% plasma, which is over 90% water. Plasma serves as the vehicle for nutrients such as glucose, amino acids, vitamins, and minerals. These substances are dissolved in plasma and bound to carrier proteins, then transported to cells throughout the body. Water's role as a solvent ensures that nutrients remain in a bioavailable form, allowing them to be efficiently delivered to tissues. A lack of water reduces plasma volume, impairing the blood's ability to circulate effectively and transport nutrients. Water is also essential for oxygen transport and hemoglobin. While oxygen is carried primarily by hemoglobin within red blood cells, water remains vital to this process. Hemoglobin requires an aqueous environment to maintain its structure and binding attraction for oxygen. Additionally, water in plasma facilitates the movement of red blood cells through blood vessels, ensuring that oxygen reaches even the smallest capillaries. Dehydration thickens blood and increases its viscosity, slowing circulation and reducing oxygen delivery to tissues, which can lead to fatigue, impaired cognitive function, and organ damage. Also, the journey of nutrients from ingestion to cellular delivery is also highly dependent on water. In the gastrointestinal tract, water dissolves nutrients, allowing their absorption through the intestinal lining into the bloodstream. For example, water soluble vitamins like vitamin C and B vitamins and minerals like sodium and potassium require water for dissolution and transport. Once they are absorbed, these nutrients are distributed to tissues via the bloodstream, and inefficient hydration can slow nutrient absorption and hinder their availability for cellular processes. Water also plays a key role in cellular uptake, which is the final stage of nutrient and oxygen transport. The cell membrane's permeability to water allows dissolved nutrients and oxygen to pass into the cell, either via passive diffusion or active transport mechanisms. Inside the cell, water maintains a conductive environment for biochemical reactions that utilize these nutrients, such as ATP production in the mitochondria. Dehydration can impair this uptake process, leading to nutrient deficiencies and reduced cellular efficiency. Water is also a critical component of lymph, which is the fluid in the lymphatic system that transports liquids, fat soluble vitamins, and immune cells. Lymphatic circulation relies on water to dissolve and move these substances from the intestines to the bloodstream. Additionally, the lymphatic system helps remove excess fluid and waste products from tissues, a process that depends on adequate hydration. Without sufficient water, lymph flow slows, impairing nutrient transport and waste removal. Water is also necessary for waste removal. Efficient nutrient and oxygen transport cannot occur without simultaneous waste removal, which is a process that relies heavily on water. Carbon dioxide, urea, and other metabolic byproducts are dissolved in water and transported to the lungs, kidneys, or liver for elimination. This clearance ensures that cells maintain an optimal environment for nutrient uptake and metabolic activity, whereas dehydration slows waste removal, leading to a buildup of toxins that can further impair nutrient transport and cellular function. The efficiency of nutrient and oxygen transport is also closely tied to the cardiovascular performance, which depends on adequate hydration. Water maintains blood volume and pressure, ensuring that the heat can pump blood effectively to all tissues. Dehydration reduces blood volume, forcing the heart to work harder and decreases the delivery of oxygen and nutrients to vital organs, and chronic dehydration can strain the cardiovascular system, increasing the risk of complications such as ischemia and organ dysfunction. Water is the foundation of the body's nutrient and oxygen transport systems, ensuring that every cell receives the resources it needs to function while removing harmful waste products. From dissolving nutrients in plasma to facilitating cellular uptake, water ensures the seamless operation of these vital processes. Dehydration disrupts this intricate system, impairing nutrient delivery, oxygen transport, and waste removal, with potentially severe consequences for cellular health and overall physiological function, which is why maintaining proper hydration is essential for supporting the body's transport mechanisms and sustaining life. The fourth physiological function that requires water is waste product removal. That was just a tiny taste of what can be found in my members only section. If you enjoyed it, become a member for only $5 a month to get access to hundreds of member only videos.